Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. I see these days lots of posts on social media asking like, I want to learn a new cloud technology, but where should I start from? Or as I belong to a non-IT background, which certificate is a best suited certificate for me in order to learn any cloud computing technology? Here are some tips and tricks to learn any cloud computing technology or to understand or to be a cloud compute engineer. So let's get started. To learn any new technology, you need to understand its fundamentals. From my point of view, I would start asking the questions to myself as why I need to learn cloud technology, what are its benefits, why these days organizations are opting for cloud technology. Once I have answers to these questions, I would start searching out for the list of certificates offered by these cloud providers, be it AWS or Google or Azure or Alibaba. Also, it is not about just to get the certificate in that cloud technology, but it is about understanding the fundamentals and the services provided by that cloud technology. I would suggest you to look out for the certificates offered by these cloud providers if you are already into a role like DevOps or networking. For an example, the AWS provides the AWS DevOps professional certificate for the people who are already into a DevOps role. Similarly, the Google provides you the Google Cloud Professional DevOps Engineer certificate for the DevOps people. If you are new to the technology, I would suggest you to start learning the basics by doing the basic certificate offered by these cloud providers. Like AWS offers you AWS Cloud Practitioner certificate, while the Google offers you Google Cloud Associate Engineer. Similarly, the Azure offers you Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. Once you are clear with your basics, then slowly and gradually you can move to the advanced level certificate. Like AWS offers you the AWS Solution Architect certificate or the AWS DevOps certificate, and similarly the other cloud providers like Google or Azure or Alibaba offers you the advanced level certificate. Let me share with you an opportunity which I got few months back to interact with the existing Amazon Cloud Support engineers doing the virtual meetup with the Amazon Cloud engineers. When asked to them what they exactly look in a candidate when he or she applies for a cloud support engineer role or a cloud DevOps engineer role, they mentioned that they look for the fundamentals. By means of fundamentals, you should have the good understanding of networking fundamentals like TCP, UDP protocol, different network protocol layers like application layer, data layer, presentation layer, network layer. What happens when you type www.google.com in your browser? What is CDN? What is elastic IP address? What is public IP address? What is private IP address? What is DHCP? Why it is needed? What is DNS? Not only this, a person should have the good understanding of Unix commands like netstat, vmstat, telnet, pin. Why this is needed? This is needed to troubleshoot the network issues whenever any user complains or whenever you face these issues. Not only this, a person should have a good hands-on scripting like shell scripting, be it a bash, KSH or a Perl scripting or a Python scripting. Why this is needed? This is needed to automate the manual tasks which you do on day-to-day basis. One thing they mentioned which really surprised to me was that they are not looking for an expert, but they are looking for a person who has a solid fundamental skills as well as a good analytical troubleshooting and problem solving skills. Once you are selected in Amazon, they will train you on the different certificates and the services offered by AWS. They will also train you how to implement these services while you are working on different projects. I hope this video was quite informative and helpful to you all. Kindly like, subscribe and comment. Until then, keep learning, keep smiling, stay safe and stay healthy.